Well, hello, fellow subscribers, all few of you. Today is going to be a deep dive into BitGlitch, specifically the arena functionality. We'll do another video on the core platform at a later point. Long story short, glitches are things that can be summoned from URLs that you own, short URLs from TP land. I wanted to expose one of the gameplay elements for unregistered users, and this is called the Arena Protocol. Arena Protocol is a player versus player tactical battle between glitches, and yeah, let's explore this. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the arena. For the unregistered users, the Arena Protocol has a set of different decks. So Data Storm, Signal Rush, Static Siege, Void Wall, Neutral Nexus, and as you'll see, each of these decks have specific glitches. You'll notice that Signal Rush has a little bit stronger pawns. You'll notice that they also have 4 abilities, these little blue dots, versus Data Storm. And then you'll notice the ability cards and AoE patterns differ between the decks. So each deck's kind of a unique play style based on the 3 combos here. So the way this works is essentially the start of the game, you will be placing your glitches, and you build out a glitch by a combo of a glitch, a ability, and a AoE pattern. AoE patterns direct how the abilities can attack. All glitches can only attack 1 square, but if you notice, like on Status Siege, some of these AoEs are larger than 4 squares or 2 squares. But this kind of presents a unique strategy of how to place your glitches on the board as well as the abilities. There will be a round timer for placement when the game starts. Essentially, you select 3 glitches that'll be in play for that round. Both players do that. And then based on kind of core stats of the glitch, that determines the order within the round. Players have a reserve timer that is static for the entire game. Meaning if you run out of reserve timer in round 2, you have no reserve timer left in any of the subsequent rounds. Rounds all reset kind of the round timer, so pretty much finish your moves before your round timer and reserve timer empty. So let's create a game. I am going to be the player. And on the right screen, I'll simulate a second player coming in. I set the game password. Go ahead and copy that link, hand it over to the player 2. And player 2 is going to be selecting a set. Let's do Void Wall. And test P2. Password was test. Join. Players enter a lobby where we can ready up. Once both players ready, the game starts. Here you notice we're in the setup phase, so click, 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 and then place on the board. You can click this to put it back in the queue, but I want to pretty much set up all 6 of these where I see fit. I'm not going to put any thought into placement of these. I just want to kind of show the gameplay right now. So once player 1's done, they would be clicking confirm. At the same time, you're going to have player 2 setting up their board. And confirm. So if you'll notice, we do have like hover on the glitches so you can preview them. So it's asking me to select 3. So these are the 3 that are in play for the round. So you'll see here's that kind of that timer and our reserve. Player 1's ready. It's on player 2 for selection. Let's do those 3. So as the rounds kind of go, it auto selects the glitch that's in play. You'll see the white border around who's the current player. Up here is kind of the play order. And you really have 3 different moves you can do as a glitch. You can move, which we will do. Go ahead and move. If I hover here, you can see kind of the range of my ability. So this ability hits these 3. The ability is a -2 strike, so I select it, bam, impacts those 3. Now it's player 2's turn. So you'll notice this timer is locked at 24. Keep in mind the round timer is for the entire round, so you have to play all 3 glitches. Otherwise, you're going to be using your reserve. So as player 2, got this, can move. Let's move. Again, we're at that last glitch of player 1. All 6 glitches will play in the round. This one has a pierce of 8 base damage. So let's do that. Bam. So you see, we can attack. And remember, this is 1 square, not diagonal, but in front, above, to the right. So we'll attack. Round ends, and then it's essentially round after round. So select our 3 glitches, select the 3 glitches, and play. You'll note if a glitch dies, it gets replaced with a pawn, and if that pawn dies, it is off the board completely. Ultimately, the goal is to control the board. So you'll see here the scores. These are based on the guard. And the higher the guard in the row of your cards, higher this is. The player with the highest in the row captures that row. So I'm having 17 in here. Totals get rolled up. So you'll see this is 27 points. Into the game, it's essentially the total score of the captured rows. So we'll go ahead and attack again. We will move on player 2's side. Still player 2's ability. And as a note, the turn order is determined kind of by the glitch statistics, the speed. So that is determined algorithmically on who's playing. Let's go ahead and let's do ability again. Attack. And play again. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Some unique abilities. You can get some cards that increase the guard, some that decrease like attack, things like that. So as you'll notice, player 1 expired because I let that round timer go off. And again, that round timer was for all the glitches in the round. All right, give it a shot, uncover any bugs, and as always, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.